Okay, let's quickly show you how to clean the Sage Barista Express with the cleaning cycle. First thing is make sure that you have plenty of water in the device, which is filled up to the max level for me. And then what we do next is we put the tablet into the rubber cleaning disc. Then we put the rubber cleaning disc into the 1 cup filter. And then we put the 1 cup filter into the portafilter, snap it in place, make sure everything's level, adjust the cleaning disc if needed, and then lock it into place as you would when you make a normal cup of coffee. And then put a little container below it to catch all the water that comes out. It does take about 5 minutes, and there is quite a bit of water that comes out. And then once you've got enough water and once everything's in place, then we proceed to turn on the machine in a special way which activates the cleaning cycle. And we'll put the camera down now and do it now because it needs 2 hands. Okay, to activate the cleaning cycle, it's really easy to do. All you've got to do is press and hold together the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, and then press power on for 3 seconds, and then you'll know if the cleaning mode's activated because the Clean Me should start flashing. So let's do that now. So like I say, press and hold cup 1 and cup 2 buttons, and then keep pressing them, and then press the power button and keep holding it for 3 seconds. And then release, and then it will start the cleaning cycle. And like I say, this takes about 5 minutes to complete, and it should do 3 beeps once done, and that's it. And there we have it. Looks like it's finished now. You can see how much is in the bottom of that, and the Clean Me light has stopped flashing. And just going to the back, you can see probably about 15-20% of the water's been used, so you don't need to fill it up. Once the cleaning cycle is done, I like to take this out, give everything a wash down, flush it through with some cold water, and then, like put a cycle through without actually putting a coffee through, just to be on the safe side. There's no cleaning solution left in. So that's how to clean the Sage Barista Express. And there's also going to be some links in the description to some quite cheap cleaning tablets, which are perfect for this machine, which are a lot cheaper than the Sage Barista Express cleaning tablets that you can buy. So I'll link them in the description, and thanks for watching.